Hey guys, so just working out in the shop here, working on the Jimmy behind me. So hopefully tonight I will be able to work on the. I got some headlight bulbs, fixing the door hinge, and just got some like seat covers, floor mats, things like that. So I'm just gonna do that. It's kind of really simple stuff, and then hopefully I can touch up some paint and see how things go. So we're gonna do that, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so just wanted to do a little update video on everything. Do have the window installed here. Still have to get the tape off. I'm not really looking forward to that, but so I'm just doing that, and currently I am about to work on this this door. You can see the door is very loose, so I'm going to work on that, put a new hinge, try to get some light in here, and I'll show you them. But basically you're just going to replace the hinge and the pins and all that stuff. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get some lighting that we can show you what I'm working on. So I'm going to do that, and also I got new just maintenance stuff. I mean, I got new seat covers. You can see there I got 2 new seat covers, new floor mats, all that crap, just to kind of make it look a little bit nicer. I did paint this bottom here, just used some black vinyl paint on here, and then also did the rear, which I'll show some when I have my light. I'll show you that. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it is what it is, but just trying to make it look a little bit cleaner. And then also I think I'm gonna get a roof rack up here. My one buddy has one that he just kind of has laying around, so I think I'm going to grab that and throw it on. And I did find some rims and tires possibly to replace these, so I might do that this week, and I'll take you along on the journey of that. And still working, trying to fix this thing, my wife's car. I'm not really sure what the heck's going on there. My insurance is being a super pain in the butt, so hopefully we'll figure out something this week and can get that thing up and running. Right now my wonderful in-laws are letting us borrow their car, one of their cars that they have, so we're just kind of using that, and hopefully everything will be good. So but anyways, back onto this. I'm going to work on this thing and work on the door. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you what I'm working on. Okay guys, so you can kind of see basically I'm replacing this pin here. There's a little collar here that holds it on, and then there's bushings, a bushing here and a bushing down here, and you can see, if I get really close up in here, you can see that this bushing is pretty much gone. This one up here is basically shot, and so basically this one actually doesn't look too bad here. It looks like it's just the top bushing that's really bad, so I'm probably just going to replace this one. This one looks fine down here, so I'm probably just going to replace this one up here, and it should be good. And then it won't, the door won't move. So if you close this thing, you can see how it doesn't really go in. You have to go up to get it to go in, so it's just kind of sagging right now. So this will fix that. Bought it online. I bought a 4-pack of them for 30 bucks. So it's not too expensive. So I'm just going to work on this, and it's pretty straightforward. I'll show it to you when I'm done. Okay guys, so door is fixed, and then also I painted the back here. This was like all messed up, and this was like actually hidden right here, so I just painted it. It's probably gonna look like crap, but yeah, I just kind of painted it there, and doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's a couple runs right here, but I'm just gonna touch it up again and sand it down. I don't really care too much, but I did find some nice steelies that I'm probably gonna get. I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna get some spacers as well, and then this is the only rust that I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna cut this out and do that, and then should be pretty good. I mean, this is really not that bad. I'm just gonna make a little L right here for there to fix that, and I was messing around with this. This right here was all messed up. I was trying to figure out why it sticks out so much, but I mean the other side does the same thing if you look, and it's in right. So I don't know what the heck that's about. I don't know if there's fender flares that you can get for here or what, but did that. And then I bought different headlight bulbs, and of course I got the wrong ones. These are 9005s and I got 9006. And then you also got to make sure that you get that these aren't the you can actually get bulbs that are enclosed, so it comes with the headlight assembly and everything, or you just get the bulbs. In this case I got the wrong ones. These are 9005s, and of course I got 9006s. So, and then also I was thinking about cutting this and this right here off, and then putting a LED bar right in here across. Just doing something a little bit there, but we'll see. And then like I said before, I'm gonna get a roof rack for up top there, and this thing should be pretty good to go, and I think it'll look really nice. Just a couple odds and ends stuff on it. So I'm trying to clean it up. I need to clean up the mud and crap underneath there. And this Jimmy is actually peeling. Just noticed that. It's all messed up, so might as well pull this off. But anyways, so I think I'm going to end it here. I know this is kind of rambled, jumbled between different days and stuff, but I finally get this thing to where I wanted it. I'm going to drive this probably this week, and then I'm going to start my truck over here. I just have it pulled on the side here, and I got a full load of firewood in the back, and I'm gonna do a couple odds and ends stuff, little bit of surprise things with it, and should be pretty interesting with the truck. So I'm kind of excited. Been talking to a couple of different guys about it, so we'll see what we can come up with. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys are having a good start to the week, and I'll try to touch base with you guys here in the next couple days, and hopefully I'll get some more information on where things are going to go with the truck, and then also hopefully a new project car. So we'll stay tuned, and we'll see you then.